Today I'm here to talk to you guys about this pressure washer. Now I cannot pronounce the name. It's AENLV. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce that, but they did send me this product for review, and they want me to show you what it is and how it works. What I'm going to do is we're going to take it out of the box. I'm going to show you all the pieces and parts, put it together, and we're going to put this thing to test. So stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to test this. I've got some like concrete that definitely needs some pressure washing, and we're going to put this to the test on some heavy duty concrete. And another thing, they did send this part of it separately. This is a hose adapter that they do offer. So apparently this doesn't have a hose adapter. It does have different ways of connecting your hoses and stuff to it already, so you don't really need it. But they sent it to me saying that this is really the easiest way to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and lay everything out. We're going to take a closer look. Okay, here's everything you're going to get in the package. You do get a lot of stuff here. It actually, a little correction is in the package was actually exactly one of these, the little hose connector. So it looks like it does come with it now, and I don't know why they sent me an extra one, but they did. But it looks like it does come with it, so we're good to go there. Now, there's of course instructions to it. They do have all these different connectors. We have a water filter here that goes from your spigot, and this has a quick connect here. You can do this. So this will go in your spigot. This can go here like this and click in there like a quick connect kind of thing. And then this one here can go onto another hose, such as this type of hose here if you have it without any end to it. So they have that kind of connection there. Of course, this one here, this goes to the back of the machine. I'm going to show you that here in just a second. And then they also have a filter. This is a filter here, and that's for like this hose. So you can take this filter, put it onto here, drop this end into a bucket of water, attach this end to your machine. This has got a little rubber little attachment here that just goes over it. You just screw it down, and that can deliver water to your machine through a bucket or a creek or whatever you might have a source of water for. You can use that there. So there's a filter there. That's a filter. Connectors. I'm going to show you the small things first. It does have this little teeny pin. It's going to be hard to see that little thing, but that is to clean the nozzle out. Make sure it doesn't get clogged up, and you get extra O-rings. So now with the rest of the parts here, again, we have the hose I was telling you about. This is the end nozzle. So this goes to the end of this here. This will snap into here. And what this is actually adjustable. So this is adjusting your pattern from a 0 to, I believe it's a 45 degree. Now, it's going to be kind of cool because some of the pressure washers use those extra little tips to it that you have a 0 and a 10 and a 20 and a whatever, and you have to take it out and replace it and all that stuff. This is super easy. All you're going to do is turn it, and it's going to change the pattern of your spray. I'm going to show you that in more detail when we do some live spraying. Now this piece here, this is for your soap. This little soap cannon. You're going to put your like car soap in here, or if you want to soap like your windows or the side of your house, you put your soap in there. This goes into the gun. It'll go in like this. This is your gun section. So it's got a little twist lock kind of thing in here. Let's make sure I have it set up right. In there, you push in and turn it. And you got a little twist lock to use the cannon. Just twist it and pull that back out. Again, this is your main handle. You have a trigger right here, and this is where your hose goes into, and I'll show you the hose here in just a minute. But now this thing, you can do different things. So now you have this piece. This is your long extension wand, which is also really nice to have, especially if you're doing siding or doing your car or doing your sidewalk and things like that. And you also have this brush attachment, so that it goes in the same exact way. And water can come through here, and it's got a brush, so you can wash your car that way. So you soap it up, wash your car, do it that way. Now, I'm not going to wash my car today. I know those other videos that have car washes. I got a little break in the weather, but it's still going to be raining this next week, so I'm not even going to wash my car right now. And also you get the hose. This is the high pressure hose, and this connections goes into the front here, and it goes to the gun, this part here. It's a pretty good size hose as well. And then you do have to assemble it. So this is your base model, your body here. You got to put the wheels on it. They just snap on. It's pretty simple. And the handle snaps on pretty quick and easy. We're just going to line it up like this and press it on until it snaps, and you're in. Very simple and easy. Now there's a hook over here for your cable. You have a long power cable. And then over here on this side, there's a little spot for your gun. Put that there. And then on the back, on the front here, this is again where your hose goes into, and this is on off. So it's either off or on. Very simple. And here on the back is your water inlet. So that's where you have all these different adapters. If you're going to put your hose on, then you're going to put this on here like this, and then put your hose into there. If you're going to use your other adapters, there's other adapters, like you can put this and put that on and screw this down if you need to do it that way. So a lot of different ways you can do it, but again, it looks like it does come with adapter, which is pretty cool. And you have different holes here that you can take and put in your little attachments like this. So it's easy to keep all your accessories together and stored into one place. I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting the wheels on this thing, and we're gonna power this up, get some water to it, and pressure wash my sidewalk. Okay, I'm gonna just take this and turn this on. Now it's ready to go. What's nice is it only turns on when I press the trigger and shuts off when you're off, and that's pretty cool. Okay, now this is my driveway. You can see there's a lot of moss growing and some dirt and all kinds of stuff. We're gonna see a big difference here, but now this is pretty cool. I'm gonna show you, that's set up as at 0. So that's, you can see how good that is at that rate. I'm going to go take it all the way to the other level, and you can see how wide this is. Now, being wide like that, it's not going to give the super high pressure that I'm going to need. But if you're doing like your car or something, it's a nice fan to wash your car, which is really cool. Here we go. You can see it this way. So wide down to, that works. That's kind of good. So it gives me a little bit of a wider pattern, but it's strong enough to clean up the driveway. Well, I hope you can really see the difference between that and that. That is like night and day. This thing is a super power pressure washer. Now I'm going to use this on my siding. You can again wash your car. You can do all kinds of stuff with a pressure washer like this. So if you are looking for a good quality high pressure washer, this might be the right one for you.